Dear scientist from the future, we are honored to have you here for a visit. Please tell us about your science. Is it materialistic? Although we remember materialism as a prolific era, we have long moved past its limitations. Okay, so what is your most fundamental theory and how do you derive it? It is a dynamical theory of all. We derive it from existence. We know that we are. We have a real, subjective sense of existence. When we wish to describe ourselves as something, like material bodies, we know that in adopting materialism, we would rid the description of real ontology. Materialistically described, everything becomes reduced to its relations to other things. It has no being in itself. Its existence is washed out. If we wish our description to be factual and comply with our real experiences, we need to imbue it with real ontology, real being. However, such a being can only originate in the formless, that which defies description, limitation of any sort. This is because if we were to try and base it on anything else, we would need to describe and define what that is. A thing becomes its relations to other things. But what is a relation, if not relation to other relations, which are relations to relations to relations, creating the infinite tower of turtles stand turtles? It can also be said that it is from that infinity, limitlessness, totality, wholeness, that being can come. But infinity is not an infinity of a particular sort. We know it must be beyond all limits, thus beyond all description, all delimitation. As such, it is one and unique, even though it is even beyond the idea of one. If there were two, and they were different, they would not be the ultimate formless wholeness, as they would be defined by the differences and descriptions. Only this unique, ultimate formless can provide real being. And because it is unique, we cannot say that my being comes from a different origin than your being. It goes beyond intersubjectivity, because it is not some ultimate whole that is behind all parts. It is the very existence of every part that is given by this ultimate whole. Every part is in the whole, and the whole is in every part. Being stands out as existence and recognizes itself as being. This is the order that reverberates in all and mirrors the cycles of creation and destruction. Thus, summarizing, the nature of being, due to its uniqueness, results in a holographic type of order. The holographic type of order is where each part is in the whole and contains the whole. Indeed, it is the recognition that each part is the whole. This is a symmetry that provides a law of conservation that allows for a description of dynamics. The holographic order is now the basic principle of all dynamics. It is the basic order on which we build dynamical descriptions of real, actual dynamics. It allows us to describe much more than your current unitary physics. And it is derived from being. Simple